আকৌ আহিবনে আপুনি?
আহি থাকিব মানুহ পালে আহিব।
আৰু এজন যাব পাৰিবনে?
পাৰিব এতিয়াও গোটেইকেইজনে পাৰিব। উঠক।
পাক্কা না? 100 কিলো আছো মই।
হ'ব। কোন জেগাৰ পৰা আহিছে আপোনালোকে?
মই দিল্লীৰ পৰা আহিছোঁ। Okay guys, I'm taking a bed now with a boat. And this is boat ride, and you can see how one motorcycle is taken through this boat from one bank to the other bank. I'd like to show you some scene. This is the mighty Brahmaputra.
Kundil.
This is an extension of Brahmaputra, which is Kundil. Kundil river. আপুনি ক'ত থাকে? ক'ৰ পৰা যাব?
মই এইটো গাঁৱতে থাকোঁ।
কি গাঁৱত?
পহুখোৱা গাঁও।
পহুখোৱা গাঁও। ক'ৰ পৰা আহিছে এতিয়া?
এতিয়া ঢলা পৰা আহিছে।
ঢলা. So this person is coming from Dhola, which is just the other side of the river. And in fact, this is a very small part of the river basically. And mighty Brahmaputra is really very big. কি কৰে আপুনি?
মই এনেই খেতি কৰি আছোঁ।
Okay. কি খেতি কৰে?
ধান খেতি।
Okay.
আৰু খৰালি দিনত মাহ, সৰিয়হ।
So this person is saying that he is agricultural, he is a professional who is into farming, organic farming, and different other farming. This is wonderful place, wonderful time that I am having.
নহ'লে নাৱৰ ভিতৰত সোমালে লাগি বহুত
So this time the water level is not so high here, and if you talk about the water level, so you'll find the water level very deep during the month of Feb till July or August. So finally we have arrived on the other side of the river. So let's see how they transport the vehicle. All right.
Really?